Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, you know I've been doing some reviews of the food you can get at the frozen food section at the dollar store, just because because it was something I thought was kind of fun to do. A lot of the food I've been getting, it hasn't been that good. The few things have surprised me that weren't too bad. This is one of the items that actually is pretty decent. The White Castle, the little hamburgers, you can get 2 for 50 cents. I think the key to why these are actually edible and taste fairly decent, there's only 3 ingredients. You've got bread, you have some little tiny smattering of onions, and you have beef. And of course, I think the beef is probably less than an ounce. You know how a Whopper or whatever is like a quarter pounder? This is like maybe it's a quarter of an ounce. I'm not sure. It's almost vegetarian, but anyway, these taste excellent for 50 cents a piece. And I found out a way that you can cook them in the microwave. Now this one, the buns have moved off to the side there. Let's see how this is going to work. Oh, it'll work out okay. All right. When you make these in the microwave, you want to separate the buns. It looks like I lost half of the hamburger there. There's a third of the hamburger right there. When you cook these, if you have one of these trays that you can cook potatoes to make potato chips in your microwave, you put the bun down on it and not much sticks. Like if you put it on a plate, it would be flat on a plate and you get a lot of heat buildup. You want to put these in for 30 seconds in the microwave instead of, like it says in the directions, if they're frozen for like 1 to 2 minutes. These are going to be, check it out, 30 seconds. Okay guys, there you go. It's been 30 seconds and that is plenty hot. And this bun is nice and soft. So you can eat these with, put some pickle or relish on there, or mustard, ketchup, whatever you like. But you can also eat them just the way they are. And for 50 cents, they make a really nice snack. And like I said, there's so little beef there, it's almost vegetarian. Let's have a bite. The bun is soft. It's not as good as a fresh bun cooked at the White Castle with the birch beer, but that's not a bad flavor. And you can almost taste the onions. So I would recommend the original slider hamburger from White Castle at the dollar store. I think that's a buy. Hope you like these little reviews I've been doing of the food at the dollar store. And I'm going to do just a few more, then I'm going to get back to my regular stuff. Do-it-yourself videos and how to save money and reviews of other stuff besides the dollar store. Alright guys, take care. Hope you don't mind me talking while I'm chewing food. Alright, see you out there. Need some relish.